What's up, guys? It's Wade yet again from MayorFX. Like always, I'll be doing my weekly breakdown on US30, GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and EURUSD. Guys, I just want to ask you guys as well to like and subscribe to my videos and to my YouTube channel as well. All right, guys. Yeah, let's get started. I hope you guys as well had a good week last week. The market was a little bit sketchy at times, but yeah, there was a few trades that could have made some cash. All right, let's get started. Guys, I'm starting today a little differently on Euro USD actually, as I feel this is the most easiest trade or most of like actually trade I will be taking this week. And it's quite simple. Like you guys know, I always say I do not complicate my trades. I just make it as simple as possible so that, less complication the better. All right, guys, for this week in Euro USD, I'll most likely be looking at buy trades on EURUSD. I will not, at this current moment, look at any sell trades for a lot of reasons as well, for small reasons, not small, but you guys know what I mean. As firstly, on my 4-hour time frame, which I am now on, I have broken previous level of resistance on a 4-hour time frame. So meaningly, hopefully I'll form new levels, or the market will form new levels of support and continue bullish. That is mostly or most likely what I'll be waiting for this coming week is buy trades on EURUSD, and hopefully it will reach about more or less TP right here and then continue bullish from there as well. Like always, you guys know that I would really like, or I always do my sell and buy trades if the market has to reverse or whatever the case may be. But for now, I think I'm going to stay in a buy trade for EURUSD. As you guys can see as well, on a weekly time frame, it has reached level of support, which is rejecting and forming new levels of support, break levels of previous levels of resistance to form new levels of support. So yeah, so most likely on my weekly I have a positive for myself going into a buy trade, and as well on a daily as well. So if I look at my 4-hour, which makes things a little bit more simple, especially on my 30-minute and my hour, which it has broken previous levels of resistance, forming new levels of support, which tells me it might and it might continue bullish from here on forward, and at least for this week coming as well. But if that does not happen, and there's a lot of other things as well that I look for before I take any sell or buy trades, and before I actually click the button, sell or buy, as you guys know, there is a lot more things a person needs to look at before you actually take certain trades. I'm just mostly simplifying small little things this coming week, more or less, where I hope to see the market go. All right. So for now, this week, I'll be looking on EURUSD for buy trades, as I told you guys. But if not, right, I'll most likely wait for this level of support to break, right, and then form new levels of resistance, and then continue selling down. So this is mostly like more or less what I'll be waiting for if I have to take any sell trades on EURUSD. But for this coming week, I don't want to complicate things, so I'll just be looking for buy trades on EURUSD. I hope that makes sense. Like I did simplify it, not that complicated. So yeah, guys, before you push that buy or sell button, remember you got your trading plan, the reasons and the rules of taking trades or your specific trades, which I have myself. So yeah, I will just not just click buy or sell just because, oh, I see it's going this way, whatever the case may be. There's always small little other rules that I have for myself that I do look at before I take certain trades. All right, enough of that. All right, let's go back, US30. All right, guys, on US30, like I said, I don't complicate things. 4-hour. As I see this coming week on US30, I'm just seeing it continue bearish. That's more or less what I'm looking for. Looking for sell trades on US30 from here on out. If I do that on a 4-hour, which is reaching there, go to your 1-hour time frame. Yeah, so more or less there's a possibility that it will retest around this level here, around there, possibility it might retest there and continue bearish. So for now, like I said, I do not complicate things. There's a lot of other ways to look at trades from here on before selling down. But more or less, this is what I'm just going to be looking for. Not complicate things here and then sell down, obviously. Out. Yeah, more or less it has broken certain levels of support. So yeah, I feel it's gonna sell. Obviously, there's a lot of different things you look for, different scenarios you look before you actually push the sell button. But for this coming week, this is more or less what we're looking for. With sell trades on US30, I'll most likely see maybe the market might, what's this word called? I keep up something with it again. But more or less, I'll see mostly the market on US30, jump and bounce between the specific zones or areas here between 35352 and 35092. So it will have this consolidation in the zone more or less right here before it will sell down, or it will immediately, sometimes the market on US30 is a little bit different. But there's a lot of more things to look for, like I said, before you take trades. I am actually keep saying that. So I'm not going to say that anymore, as you guys know what I mean. So yeah, I'll see most likely a consolidation in the specific zone, and most likely will sell down, or I hope it will sell down from here on out on US30. So for this coming week on US30, I'll be looking for sell trades. As you guys know, if I have to look for any buy trades, I'll wait for this level at 35352.83 for this level of resistance to break. Yet again, forming levels of support, and then buy, and then more or less see something like that. But for now, I'm focusing on sell trades on US30. So like I said, most likely I'll see this consolidation zone right here between the zone. The market might consolidate in this specific zone and then sell further down and continue selling down, most likely to this level right here, or continue until that level right there. More or less where you guys take your profit, that's up to you, not up to me. As you guys do not need to take any trades that I will be taking this week. Like I said, this is more or less where I just see the market might be going for this coming week. So yeah. Alrighty guys, this is on GBPJPY. Where the market can be going. Like on GBPJPY, the market has been sketchy lately. So there's a few things more or less where the market might go, depending on what time frame you might look at and where you guys take your specific trades. So if I have to take any sell trades on GBPJPY, as you guys know, I've been saying for those last 2 weeks that I'm not really comfortable trading GBPJPY as the market is very sketchy. As more or less he doesn't know where it wants to go, but for now, I have to see any sell trades continue on GBPJPY or GJ. I hope and see that this level of support on a 4-hourly time frame will break, and then I'll most likely see a retest at levels of resistance, and then most likely see the market sell down. So this is more or less what I'll be looking for on GJ, on GBPJPY for this coming week. Like I said, always, if the market has to continue bullish, then it will most likely break this level. I'll wait for this level of 181.939 to break that level of support or resistance, form new levels of support at that specific zone or that level, and then continue buying on GBPJPY. But for this coming week, more or less, I feel that the market might sell down and go bullish, or bearish, not bullish, bearish, and then continue selling. So I'll be looking for sell trades on GBPJPY, depending on how the market opens this coming week, as I'll see more or less where the market might go and take me. All right, let's go to GBPUSD. For this coming week on GBPUSD, GU, guys, more or less, like I said, depending where you take your trades, but to not complicate things for myself, I'll wait on a 4-hour time frame to wait for to wait for this level of resistance to break. then form new levels of support. Oopsie doopsie. Form new levels of support, and then look for buy trades. If market has to reject the zones that I look for, and obviously, like I said, there's more things to just pushing by yourself. So, guys, this is more or less what I'll be looking for this coming week on GBPUSD. I'll most likely see or look for buy trades, but I'll specifically wait for this level of resistance to break. As you guys see on a 4-hourly time frame, it has broken this level of support and then obviously came back to new levels of resistance. So more or less, there's certain things that you need to look for, like I said, to take specific trades. But for now, I'll wait for this zone right here, 1.27810 to break, and then hopefully reject the zone and then continue bullish. Right. So if I have to look at any bearish momentum and then have to sell down, which I don't think it will, but it is a possibility in the market that anything might happen, then I'll most likely wait for this level right here. You know, there's 3 levels, so there's most likely this level here, form, and then form new levels of resistance, which will be more or less like this. Boomba. And then continue selling down. I have to look for any sell trades. But for now, I most likely feel comfortable looking for buy trades on GBPUSD on GU. So I'm just gonna feel comfortable looking for that depending how the market opens and where I see the market will take me this coming week. And then obviously, like traders, we adapt to the market, like most likely always. But all right, guys, that is for me. Like I said, EURUSD, I'll be looking for buy trades as well. So, guys, thank you for listening to me, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I hope you guys all make money, and that, yeah, you guys are all happy. And thank you for listening to me. Like I said, please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Enjoy the week. I am out.